Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Krishna. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step of how I color grade my footage from this to this using Davinci Resolve. I made this video especially for beginners who just started learning video editing and color grading. If you don't know how to color grade your footage or video, you can use the settings that I'm going to show you as your reference. And before we get started, I'm using Davinci Resolve to color grade my footage, but you can use any other video editing software like Premiere Pro, Final Cut or Headfiller. I know that the user interface is totally different, but like I said before, you can use the settings that I use as your reference. Okay, so without any further ado, let's open up Davinci Resolve and get started. Okay, so now we're in Davinci Resolve and this is the footage that I'm going to use as an example. Okay, and then this is the color tab user interface where we're going to color grade our footage. So first I'm going to add a few nodes. You can right clicking right here and then click add node, and there are a few different nodes that you can choose, but I'm going to use corrector only. And then drag it to the white line until it turns into yellow to connect it like this. If you don't know about node, just think of it as layers. It's something like layer, but it's different. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so this is node 1. Just think of it as layer 1. And then I'm going to change the color into blue. And as you can see, it will affect the next node as well. Okay, but when I click on the next node and change the color, it will only affect the next node and won't affect the previous node. So it's something like layer, but it's different. Okay, and then you can also set label on the node. Just right click on the node and click node label. I'm going to set it to white balance. You can change it to whatever you want. First, I'm going to set the white balance. So there's this color picker tool right here, and I just happen to wear a white t-shirt, so I'm going to pick the white color on this shirt like this. And then after that, I'll go to the second node and I will decrease the leaf. If you don't know about leaf, gamma and gain, you can go to here and it will change into shadow, midtone and highlights. So leaf, gamma and gain is something like shadow, midtone and highlights, but there's a difference between this, but I won't talk about it in this video. Okay, so I'm going to decrease the leaf a little bit and the gamma as well. Okay, and then I will increase the gain a little bit. If you want to disable the node, you can click on the number right here to see the difference before you apply the node. Okay, after that, if you adjust the offset, it will affect everything. Like if I decrease the offset, it will make the whole footage darker, and if I increase it, it will make it brighter. Okay, and I'm just going to leave it at 25. Then I'm going to the next node again, and I will add some contrast, just a little bit like this. And you can also add some saturation right here, but I won't add it. Okay, and then as you can see, it's basically done. This is before and after. Now it looks better, but I will add another node. Okay, so it's up to you if you want to mix everything into one node or separate it like this. I usually separate it like this. Okay, and I will set the gamma more yellowish to make it look more warmer like this. Okay, so here's before and after again. And then one last thing, I sometimes add vignette to some of my footage. I will show you how to add vignette effect. So I will add another node, and then I will adjust the curve to make the whole footage darker. Then go to here and click this, then invert it and set it like this. Then put in the middle of the footage like this to add the vignette effect. as you can see. Okay, so again, this is the before and after. Now it looks so much better and more cinematic. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy and learn something new about color grading in Davinci Resolve. Hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have already. And I will see you guys in the next video.